What's up, guys? We're done with section 5 and now we're on section 6. So the numbering is going to start over, okay? So now we're back to question number 1 and let's get right into it. All right, guys, I really like this problem, okay? Because at first glance, it looks a little bit daunting, but it's actually super simple, okay? And there's a little trick that solves really easily. So let me show you how we're going to do this, okay? So let me start by reading the question. The length of each side of equilateral triangle T is 6 times the length of each side of equilateral triangle X. And then our quantity A, we have the ratio of the length of one side of T to the length of another side of T. And then for quantity B, we have the ratio of the length of one side of X to the length of another side of X, okay? All right, guys, so they give us an extremely important piece of information, okay? All right, and see if you can figure out what it is first, but let me just go ahead and tell you, all right? It is that it is an equilateral triangle, all right? And guess what, guys? Both of these triangles are equilateral triangles, okay? So here's the crazy thing, all right? It's saying the ratio of the one side length to another side length, okay? So guys, it does not matter what the side length is, all right? And let me just show you what I mean by that, okay? So let's just say that we have this triangle here, right? This is point, we'll label the points here, right? And then, therefore this is going to be, side length AB, side length CB, and then side length AC, right? And hang on, I'm sorry. Let me make it, well, I guess that was okay, but I'll just do BC, okay? All right, guys. So if these side lengths are all the same, what does that mean? Okay, think about it for a second and then see if your answer matches mine. All right, guys, what that means is that AB has to be equal to BC, which has to be equal to AC. All right, guys, these are all the same, okay? So, guys, if they're all the same, what does that mean if we divide one by the other? What does that mean? What does this quotient have to equal? Guys, it has to be 1, okay? So like if AB was 6, that means that BC would also have to be 6, right? 6 divided by 6 is 1, okay? All right, guys, so here's the thing. It doesn't matter if the side length is 6, right? Because it's an equilateral triangle, right? If they're all 6s, right, it's just going to be 1. It doesn't matter if it's, I don't know, e to the 500, right? They're all going to be e to the 500, and it's all going to equal 1, okay? So because these are both equilateral, the ratio of side lengths must be 1, okay? So therefore, these two quantities have to be equal, okay? All right, guys, so hopefully you understood what I was doing there, but this is a lot of times on the GRE, there's a little trick that you can do to just quickly get the answer, okay? And that was, I think, the quickest way to do this problem in particular, all right? So again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I will see you in the next video.